Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Friday 10th of June. And right now we are making some progress. We're doing some little bit of a progress right here, and it's like you're forming some Adam and Eve double bottom right now. I don't know if I talked about this one previously, but there's a potential scenario here for SLP. I'm just going to tell you that it's some sort of a descending triangle, but not really confirmed one. So if I do take this out like that and draw the lower part of the support like this one, then a decision is coming in by today at 9 o'clock in the evening. Now tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday, so I don't know if it's a good idea for me to say that you're going to see the pumps anytime soon. On a Saturday and Sundays, if we do look at SLP coming down here to 490 by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow and losing this level, backtest and fail, that's gonna be really bad. Okay, so you have to keep a huge eye. It's a very big, huge suspense right now, and if you're looking to do that kind of stuff, then it's gonna be really bad, because by the end of the day you're putting some sort of a descending triangle, and that's not a good sign. Okay, that's almost like a continuation pattern that things are going to go down. So if you take the top to the bottom right here and you break out of the descending triangle, you're looking for 483 or 482, which you're going to finally lose this parallel channel or a bearish rectangle, and then you might make a little bit of a small pull to the upside back to 500 something, and then go to the downside and dump for good, maybe come down to 394 or even further down. Okay, and that's it for this update, guys. But if you do somehow manage to cross this level backtest, you might be coming back here to the 524 as well. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.